test drive the 2021 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, speed sensitive volume control, footwell lights, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks. Come take a test drive today.